Alright folks, what is this thing all about? Well, the Atlantic Coast Old Timers Vintage Racing organization is hosting a race at one of the vintage events. Well, it's for the ladies. It is an amateur adult ladies vintage karting race, and I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace. And the reason why I bought this one is that the Old Timers race, the Old Timers Club is hosting that race for the ladies. It is a road course, so I bought a straight up chassis, and it came with all the Nerf bars and the bumpers. The other Nerf bar is right here. I'm taking them off and beginning the transformation into what is going to be my wife's Christmas present. My wife has no idea that I bought this cart. As far as she's concerned, we're borrowing a cart at that event to run. I decided I wanted to get one of her own. So this is a KT 100 two-stroke engine. No good. We gotta change it to a spec engine, which is the Predator 212, and thanks to Facebook Marketplace I found one off of what I think is a cement mixer. Wouldn't start when I went to look at it. Got it for a smoking deal. It was the strainer in the gas tank that was plugged up from the good old ethanol fuel. Now that runs like $1 million. That's ready to install. So I kind of figured I would film this. I wasn't going to, but then I guess why not have this journey to the ladies road race at the Atlantic Coast Old Timers event at Jennerstown, Pennsylvania. So the race is called the Queen's Royal. There's going to be 20 karts, practice heat races, qualifying, and a final event. So I got a lot of work to do to it. I'm in the process of stripping it down, which is kind of why it's missing some of the parts. But the first thing I'm going to do is take off the two-stroke engine, and I need to take the rear axle and swap this sprocket flange over to this side, and I need to get an engine mount for the Predator engine. So I'm going to take some still shots and do a little video here and there, and we're going to call it the journey to the Queen's Royal. So we got a lot of work to do. This thing is getting painted, getting kind of turned into my wife's very own cart. So I got to completely strip it down, prep the frame for paint, and begin the assembly process. It is November 29th, and Christmas is 26 days away, so here we go. Obviously I can't post any of this until after Christmas, so you're going to see it probably a month after the whole thing happens. But anyway, hopefully it'll be fun and enjoyable for you folks.